A couple little air bubbles. Alright, there we go. Alright, just kind of wrapping it up here, but wanted to take a short vid of my DIY dehumidifier. That's essentially it right there. Small ice chest holding the ice water. That's being pumped through the copper coil. Copper coil is being held up over the drip pan with the two pieces of PVC. You can see the water beading up on the copper coil. It's been running about 6-7 hours right now. Here's a quick shot of it as an atmospheric water generator. Notice how it's all just aluminum and copper, so totally water safe. You can see the only real difference is I'm using the aluminum drip pan and aluminum covered PVC to keep it all food safe or water safe. As long as you keep those coils clean and you don't care about the plastic, you can drink the water. If it sits there more than like 8 hours though, you should boil it first. But that's it. That's the setup. The coils with the drip pan and the ice chest. I just used a Campbell soup can. Just slide it in, make a couple bends, slide the can up, couple of bends, slide the can up, couple of bends. Whole thing took like 5 minutes. It goes super fast. You want to make this thing even more efficient? Just squeeze these copper coils together. You could take that entire 20-foot row and put it on one of these and then another 20 on this one, and you could get twice the efficiency. I've seen these copper coils sold in as long as 100-foot lengths online.